In this Blogify review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to turn YouTube videos into traffic-getting articles with a few pushes of a button. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'll also be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Blogify, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says repurpose, publish, profit, proprietary AI turns YouTube videos into traffic-getting articles at the push of a button. We've been getting free autopilot traffic from Google without SEO experience for over 2 years by converting other YouTube videos into articles. So essentially that's what this software does. It's a web-based software, nothing to install. You can take any articles. You can take, if you're worried about creative, like getting in trouble by doing that, you can actually take Creative Commons videos, ones that have explicitly given permission for people to reuse them. So you can use it that way as well. You can customize the articles, add in colors, images, whatever you want to do. There's a text spinner. You can boost your rankings with social media, create unlimited websites inside of Blogify with free domain and hosting included. You can monetize your traffic by adding in AdSense, banner ads, affiliate links. It publishes your content in a user-friendly way, free domain, fast hosting, commercial license. You can actually sell these sites, all included at a very low one-time price. Now, they show some earnings here from AdSense, it looks like. I can't verify whether this all came from the software, but they are showing that they're making money with AdSense here. So they're monetizing these sites with that. It says log in, enter any keyword that in your desired niche, and then you can turn those videos into articles by taking the text from those articles and then using them as actual, taking the text from the videos and using them as articles. You can monetize that. You can do pretty much anything you want with that and use it how you want. So I'm just going to kind of scroll through some of this. There's a demo here. I'm going to show you a demo here in a second. Here's some engagement on social media for people using this type of content, multiple templates to choose from, video to article, advanced search features, easily monetization, free hosting, 100% automated, SEO optimized. You can use Creative Commons videos if you are worried about getting in trouble doing this. It works on Windows, Mac, and PC. Windows, Mac, and mobile phones. You can customize the articles. It has millions of videos and images that you can add in-depth training, all that included inside. Now, if you decide to purchase today, you have access to all of that. But one thing that I want to show you is most likely, if you move your mouse away on the sales page, a discount code is going to pop up. It usually happens on these products. So just make sure you test that. Move your mouse away. I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want to make sure you get the lowest prices on these products. So give me a like if you like the fact that I show these discounts. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is show you a video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area, an actual site created with this, and the OTOs and discounts. Okay, so this is an actual site created with the software. You can see here what these will look like. If we click on one of these, we can go over and see like what the site looks like with all the text here, the images, the monetization. This image looks like it didn't come up here, but looks, you can monetize it and everything. Of course, you can go in here and you can edit it. So once you've done it, once you've gone through mid, you can edit it as well. This is the backend area where you have all your different sites located. You manage everything, add in all your stuff, your bonus training, everything all inside there. Now there are multiple OTOs. The first one here says want to double or triple your passive income with the pro version. The pro version is going to give you extra features here with this, auto campaigns with this. You can have it set up and keep on doing it for you on autopilot. You get developer rights for that as well for a low one-time price. Now you are going to want to move your mouse away and you get a discount on this as well. Okay, so we're in an actual site here made with the software. I'm going to click here on one of these articles, food that burn, list of foods and fruits that burns fat here. So you can see it has like the video, an article, monetization, all set up there already. So that's what a site looks like. This is the backend area where you set up your sites. You have a list of all the different sites that you've created with this software. But there are OTOs. The first one here is a pro version of the software. This is going to give you auto campaign features. So it sets everything up for you on autopilot and posts for you on autopilot. One thing I'm going to show you here is if you move your mouse away, a discount code is going to pop up here and you can get a lower price on it. So I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want to make sure you get the lowest price. So please give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts and you want me to keep doing it in the future. Next one here, it says you can increase your profits by transcribing any YouTube videos into any other languages. If you move your mouse away, you can get a $10 discount on this one. Next one here, you can have other sources, Dailymotion, Vimeo, Facebook, Twitter, Pocket, Pinterest, Medium, and many more. Move your mouse away, you can get a $10 discount. Next one here is they're going to let us set up 52 complete professional sites for you and instantly monetize them. So it's done for you. Move your mouse away and get a $10 discount. Next one here, they're going to give you an agency license so that you can actually sell this software, I believe, and have your own agency dashboard, built-in client finder, professional agency website, everything you need to actually turn this into a business. And if you move your mouse away, you get a $10 discount on this one. And the last one here is resell rights. You can actually just resell the software, keep all the money, move your mouse away on this one. Let's see if a discount code pops up. It should. Make sure you try it when you get there. You should be able to get a discount on this one as well. All the different OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Blogify and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it's the fact that if you go out there and you take a bunch of videos and if there are some that you don't have the rights to, some people could get a little bit angry with you. So if you want to make sure that you keep yourself safe, you can use ones that are only Creative Commons, meaning that people have given permission to use them. What do I like about this? This is a great idea for getting content, especially if you're going to be doing link building or you just need extra content for your websites. If this is something that you've been looking for, definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Blogify, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.